3.
Hi guys and girls, today is my mommy's birthday. Gonna have a lot of fun in my mom's birthday, and there's my grandma, and we can open her present. So let's get started. Okay, look how with these toys. And nail polish, and a brush, and another brush like this one, and bubble mix. So I put everything back first. My mommy's gonna open it for her birthday when we started the cake and the present. Okay, put it back. Okay, this says I love mom and have a heart. I'm gonna give her hugs and kisses because I really love her. And I'm gonna give her her present. I really love her. I'll put this top. Okay, that's enough for this box, this surprise of my mom. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll make more birthday parties. Bye. Give it a thumbs up. I love you. Bye.